movie industry no. Yeah, na munya bibi say oh yes we dear draw why encounter bibi say like it has been a day out to say no I will be try me with a bro.
And no, I would say once. Yeah.
Okay. And yeah, Shelly, you're nice.
Shelly, minim Shelly answer. Most of my colleagues will share Shelly from 4 months so because me Miss Ghana in 2005 and Shelly was organizing Aspire Productions. And you know, me assure that me share Shelly now a lot of actors won't share and you know, me knew from way back. I was just 19 years when I knew Shelly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. Shelly from Promanso, meet you. Number one choice of a Norway Radio Gold.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
nice.
On see a source of stuff.
Why is it?
Yeah. Fab.
Fee.
Are you there? Nice one. And you also start to then no babies are no.
Mate, and I'm person say only Nana my movie.
Nana McBrown, me nini Girls Connection. Okay. And I'm in Playboy. And I don't know if there's a third one, but yeah, we've been on set.
So recently back, and then I mean the side chick.
Debbie, no, I'm not part of it.
Okay, I thought Sylvia.
Hello, my name is Armstrong Poleeno Ade. Say, oh, baby, I'm on who I fe. To say the my year, and you can so baby, I saw so but Lydia Unisex Boutique. Who will be some say Lydia Unisex Boutique, El Hefa, El Asari Boutique, School Junction, Hope, who drew an old business, Hope Lydia Unisex Boutique, Hope Piavetro, but over how we send carry Papa and the Gua say. Didn't you know also about habit to attire because attire Papa de Union. So be shot tire now be seen now be winning young mindy. But had the old bar. Obeshe, Shibim, and will be able to say, attire dear, still never saw your mono. Aha, and I'm a tormentary. And it's all part I rob out, so your basso, your bema, and a friend unisex me. Braha never taught her.
Make we jubilate. It's a happy day, joy all day. We never go fail, they never fail. Say, who needs a wedding for him? I feel radio. Temu
Chaya movie industry no. Yeah, na munya bibi say oh yes we dear draw why encounter bibi say like it has been a day out to say no I will be try me with a bro.
And no, I would say once ever since I'm ever in industry anymore, once when I feel it to say somebody actually may have done something. I was even talking about it yesterday. When I did my production meeting. Nami Shuti Material. I was about to go on a Material Girl set. I don't know if you've watched Material Girl. Salam, Venus Films, the producer. Yeah. And before I went on the set, the first day I call set me so no. Me shoot first day anywhere. Me call back home na me started say.
Shoot first one
I think the first day.
Okay.
And me started say yeah red there, but. And I thought it was one of those, you know, you use Vicine or whatever, and then it will clear the red. But my eye actually started going really bad. Until we movie now, I don't say almost 70% of the scenes I was in sunglasses.
Okay, maybe.
It was really bad. And Fifi, that movie happened to be you know, okay, your movie, there are stars, baby, and you know, you are safe, you know, oh, this movie will hit no matter what. But with Material Girl, and it's a main kwan, and so I knew that a lot of people were not rooting for me. Like, I could just feel the energies around me that people were not happy because when I came, everybody was like, where did she come from? Where did she come from? You know, why her? Why? I heard all of that. So yeah, at that point, I knew that there was something wrong because Miko Hospital, they gave me eye drops. They said it's a bacterial infection. I went again. The thing was just not going. We even had to break the set.
Wow.
Because my eyes were red. There were scenes where I had to show my face. You know, you're acting. You can't wear sunglasses in the bedroom. My eye was going bad. It was so bad. It was like the lens and pupil, and I don't know how to explain it. I'm not an ophthalmologist, but my eye was just, you know, so I did something because I realized, okay, this is not a doctor hospital thing. I actually...
You spiritual?
yes, that's the point in my career. I would say that someone may have done something, and I did something. I locked up myself in a room the whole day because we had to break. My eye was so bad. We break here, and I cried and cried and prayed and prayed and prayed and prayed the whole day.
Wow.
The next day, my eye was. It was like you could tell that it was, like it was clearing, and I say it was. You know, the red. How do I even put it? That was it. It was just the prayer. You can do your own prayers and it will work.
Okay.
Yeah, God has given us the power to. So I did pray and I did cry and I did call on God, and the next day
you were fine.
I wasn't fine like totally, but it was like 2 days. It took me like 2 days.
Okay.
I saw like a vast improvement.
Okay.
I think the third day or so, I went on set to complete.
Wow.
So the scenes where you saw me without the sunglasses, I actually maybe I'm not making one
okay.
Wow.
So yeah.
All right. Abbreviate mobile with glaucoma campaign because now say unim pain I will mame egoma sana o film, but
but you always show me social media pages. I'll be on say last year I posted something about an essay competition because it's been 10 years since I launched my glaucoma foundation. And you know, talking to a few sponsors. I need prizes for winners now. So we'll be starting an essay competition, and it's kids from 10 years to 16 years, and I'm betro. And they'll be winning some really yummy, cool stuff. I'm urging, if you're listening to me and you have a child or you're a child and you're listening, just look out for that one, a competition on glaucoma. Because my realize is that Ghana, no, we have the whole world. We happen to have the highest cases when it comes to glaucoma, but nobody really talks about it, and people go blind every day, and they don't know why, but it's glaucoma. They go to the hospital, the doctors are not educating them enough. Because glaucoma, no, it doesn't give you signs or symptoms, so you might be there and you have it and you don't know. So I'm urging every Ghanaian, if you're listening to me, please go and see a doctor and just check your pressure. You have to check the pressure on your optic nerve. So I don't know when who say okay, when you know you're suspect and I say, you're okay. And it runs through one's family, or family member be or suffer from glaucoma. It will also, it's a 50-50. Like me say, I use drugs to bring my pressures down. I don't have it, but I have high pressure on my eye. My grandmom had it, my mom has it, and I have it. But my sister doesn't have it. My brother doesn't have it. So it's something we all need to pay attention to and have a checkup.
Now what are you?
My mom in Mbaye 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Where we?
Yvonne, are you single?
I am single.
Yes, I will know about Papa read that.
Oh. So
and because we break.
So is it 2018 or so? 20 what? We did say yeah.
Patrick, Kwanda,
Patrick Kwanda. Wait a minute, Busama Kwanda.